India's biggest air carrier, Indigo Airlines, continue to face a major operational crisis, now in its fifth day. With the airlines cancelling more than 470 flights today, chaotic scenes are being witnessed across airports in India.
From 4,000 single T-shirt.
Understand? Be humble.
I am a government officer, class 1 officer.
In the southern Indian state of Telangana, in Hyderabad, angry flyers were seen creating a ruckus at the airport, venting their anger at the helpless Indigo ground staff. Tensions escalated as helpless passengers waited for a quick resolution to their grievances. At Gujarat's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad, long queues were seen as emotional passengers reacted to the unfolding crisis, with dozens of flights reportedly being cancelled since early morning.
Either you write a mail and give it to us that on behalf of Indigo I am writing this, and you will be providing a salary for 2 days until our package is received.
Indigo Airlines cancelled 117 flights at the airports in Mumbai. This infuriated passengers who were stranded at the airport. An airport in Jaipur witnessed emotional scenes as passengers left to deal with the harrowing ordeal. Other airports have been affected. Those airports are Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Jaipur. Thousands of passengers were left stranded due to disruption in Indigo Airlines flight schedules.
For last 2 hours, we were just waiting for another pilot to come. So there was a pilot, but due to some work and rest hours, they could not comply. Then the pilot changed, and that's how the 2 hours flight got delayed and the connecting flight got missed. Now the flight, rescheduled flight to Coimbatore came. The moment I went to enter inside, they told this is also cancelled. So now I'm checking any luck if I can get any other. Otherwise, what to do, I don't know.
In Singapore, our Coimbatore flight got cancelled, so they gave us another flight. That's via Chennai to Coimbatore. But then Chennai flight got delayed because there wasn't pilot available, and now I missed my Coimbatore flight.
I am surprised, not shocked by their behavior, like what kind of alternate arrangements they have made and what kind of treatment that we are getting. Okay, so when we called yesterday, they should have told us, okay, you can plan your alternate arrangements, but they haven't said that.
Experience, of course, we are worried a little bit, but I can't understand what I need to do. I'm sure, guarantee that when I go to here, nobody answer me. I'm sure.
As Indigo Airlines handles the crisis, Delhi Airport has issued an advisory to passengers to check their flight status before coming to the airport. The airport has assured passengers that it will streamline the operation soon. Other carriers are now stepping in to help mitigate the situation. For example, SpiceJet, that has announced that it will be operating 100 extra flights over the next 2 to 3 days following Indigo cancellations. But instead of relief, passengers were in for a shock once again. Many expressed their utter shock at the surge in prices of tickets.
मुझे यहाँ कल रात तक कोई मैसेज नहीं था, तो फैमिली बच्चे लेके सिलचर जाना था. यहाँ आने के बाद कैंसिल बता रहा है. मुझे बहुत ख़राब लगा है.
लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, तो जिन बेचारों ने पहले से बुक कर रखी है 4,000 की फ्लाइट, उनकी कैंसिल करके 40,000 रुपये में दे रहे हैं.
खाली हरासमेंट हमारी हुई है कि हम लोग खड़े रहे हुए हैं. जो हमारा जो दूसरा बहुत सा इम्पोर्टेंट काम था, वो काम छूट गया. हमने पहुंच जाना था 2 बजे, लेकिन अभी 3 बजे यहाँ से फ्लाइट स्टार्ट होगी.
सोल्यूशन है ना, तुम दे सकते हो सोल्यूशन, फिर जो आदमी दे सकता है सोल्यूशन उस बंदे को ला यहाँ पे.
Either you write a mail and give it to us that on behalf of Indigo I am writing this, and you will be providing a salary for 2 days until our package is received.
Meanwhile, the Indian Railways has stepped in, announced the deployment of 116 additional coaches in a total of 37 trains and operating over 114 augmented trips across the country. Issuing an apology on social media, Indigo Airlines has assured passengers of a full waiver on all cancellations and rescheduled requests for travel between the 5th and the 15th of December. Moreover, the Indian government has ordered the aviation regulator to form a 4-member committee to review and assess the Indigo crisis. The government has also maintained that flight duty time limitation norms will be strictly followed by all airlines. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has also directed Indigo Airlines to clear all pending passenger refunds by 8 p.m. on Sunday. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Well, that is right. The crisis by the Indigo Airlines enters its 5th day today, and till 11 a.m. what we understand, there have been more than 250 flights that have been cancelled across 3 major busiest airports of the country, which is Delhi, Mumbai as well as Hyderabad. And even today what we understand that there could be possibility of more cancellations as well as delays as the claim is done by the Indigo. However, Delhi airport is concerned, which is also considered to be one of the busiest and the main airport junction, where there are even connecting flights much more compared to the other cities. They say that slowly things have come back to normalcy. The flight cancellations and disruptions are much less compared to what we have seen in the first 4 days. And slowly things are getting back to normal as far as Delhi airport is concerned. But for the Indigo Airlines to fully functional and be operational, that will take place a few more days. But from Monday onwards, that is December 8th onwards, what we understand that Indigo, as a call they have taken, they will leave with less number of flights. They will reduce their flight operations so that the disruptions which have created panic, chaos and frustration amongst passengers this week does not happen for the coming weeks. This is Isha reporting here for Beyond from Mumbai.